Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Waherfo is probably one of the most versatile and innovative gadgets to hit the market in years, offering a unique blend of functionality and user-friendly design that appeals to a wide range of consumers, from tech enthusiasts to everyday users looking for a simpler way to manage their daily tasks and entertainment. Number 5. YOSUDA Magnetic Exercise Bike. Introducing the YOSUDA Exercise Bike, designed for your home workouts. With over 20 years of expertise, we bring you reliable fitness equipment trusted by millions. Experience a truly quiet ride thanks to our latest magnetic control system. It ensures noise levels remain below 20 decibels, even after extensive use. Enjoy a stable and smooth workout with its heavy-duty steel frame and a powerful magnetic resistance system. It's built to provide a challenging yet comfortable experience. Your safety is paramount. This bike offers a secure and stable workout, supporting up to 300 pounds. Features like adjustable pedals and an instant stop mechanism ensure peace of mind. Find your perfect fit with adjustable handlebars and a padded seat. It's designed to accommodate users of various heights, ensuring a comfortable ride every time. Stay motivated with the integrated LCD display and smart app support. Track your progress, enjoy music, and immerse yourself in virtual cycling courses and competitions. Get started quickly with easy assembly. All necessary tools and instructions are included, with an online video to guide you through setup in about 30 minutes. What we like. Experience near-silent workouts with its advanced magnetic resistance system, ensuring a peaceful home environment. If you're looking for a stable and comfortable ride that won't disturb others, this is your top choice. Plus, with smart app connectivity, you can elevate your fitness journey with engaging virtual rides and competitions. What people say. Went together very well. Didn't even need instructions. Ride is smooth. Adjustments are easy and everything works great. It was really easy to assemble and feels sturdy and well made. The resistance is solid and it's perfect for getting in a good sweat without leaving the house. The app is also a great bonus and makes the whole experience even better. The bike is great, easy to use and an appropriate amount of resistance. Very sturdy, no concern about tipping. It is heavy, so assembly near where it will be used is recommended. This is my first exercise bike, so while I don't have a previous experience for comparison, to me the design is both functional and attractive. Number 4. Wahl Clipper USA Chrome Pro Hair Trimming Kit. Achieve professional quality haircuts and trims right in your own home. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for a perfect cut every time. This all-in-one solution includes a powerful corded clipper for main cuts and a convenient cordless trimmer for detailing. It's designed for versatility and ease of use. For those finishing touches, a pair of styling shears is included. Ensure a clean and polished look with precision cutting tools. Experience consistent and reliable performance with this grooming kit. It's built to deliver a great cut, no matter your styling needs. Trust in the quality and durability that Wahl Clipper USA is known for. This kit is designed for long-lasting use and exceptional results. What we like. Achieve a professional quality haircut at home with this all-in-one kit. It offers the reliable power of a corded clipper for continuous use and the flexibility of a cordless trimmer for detailed work. If you need a versatile grooming solution for all your hair cutting and trimming needs, this kit provides everything you require. What people say. This razor is like commercial grade. Very well made, sturdy, strong and sharp. Also love that it also comes with a small peanut razor to use on hard-to-get areas back of neck, ears. The shears seem solid and worked right out of the case. Number 3. Wahl Professional Detailer Trimmer. Introducing the Wahl Professional Detailer Trimmer, designed for ultimate precision. Achieve clean lines and sharp details with ease. Its adjustable T-blade allows for customized cutting lengths. Get the perfect trim every time, tailored to your needs. Experience smooth and efficient cutting with its powerful rotary motor. This tool is built for performance and durability. Enjoy comfortable handling thanks to its lightweight, corded design. It provides consistent power without the worry of battery life. This trimmer comes complete with 3 guide combs and essential accessories. Everything you need for a professional finish is included. Achieve salon quality results in the comfort of your own home. This tool is perfect for barbers and home users alike. What we like. Get incredibly close and clean lines with its adjustable T-blade, perfect for detailed grooming and outlining. The powerful yet lightweight corded rotary motor ensures consistent performance for intricate tasks. If you're a barber or a home user who values precision and control for fades, trims, and detailing, this trimmer is an essential tool. What people say. The fact that I never need to charge it, it's thick and feels like something my barber would have, and it accurately gives me barber-level lineups makes it a must-have for all men. It also cuts the hair the first time through so I don't have to go over spots multiple times like I did with my Andis trimmer. It's 10x lighter than the Andis, much smaller and easier to hold, quieter, and the on-off switch is at the bottom of the base, so I never accidentally switch it off or on while using it. This sucker can take a beating. When it came time for another one I did the research and looked at my options, and I chose this one again. In my experience it didn't really ever get hot. Got a little warm, but really stayed pretty cool to the touch. It's very quiet. Number 2. Wahl Professional 5-Star Cordless Senior Clipper. Introducing the Wahl Professional 5-Star Cordless Senior Clipper. Experience precision and power in the palm of your hand. Equipped with precision fade blades, it delivers seamless blending and sharp lines for any style. Achieve barbershop quality results with ease. Crafted with a robust metal housing, this clipper is built to last. Its premium construction ensures durability and a comfortable grip. Enjoy up to 80 minutes of cordless run time on a single charge. This allows for uninterrupted creativity and flexibility during your cuts. Designed for professionals, it offers exceptional performance and reliability. Elevate your craft with this essential barbering tool. What we like. Enjoy unrestricted movement and power with its long-lasting cordless operation and professional-grade blades designed for seamless fades. The robust metal housing ensures durability for heavy-duty use. If you're a professional barber seeking a reliable, high-performance clipper that offers both freedom and precision, this is the ultimate tool for your salon. What people say. The design is sleek and modern, fitting perfectly with my home decor. It's incredibly easy to set up and start using right out of the box. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several days on a single charge. Number 1. WONDERFOLD W4 Luxe Stroller Wagon, 4-seater. Meet the WONDERFOLD W4 Luxe, the ultimate 4-seater stroller wagon designed for convenience and comfort. It's perfect for families on the go. With ample space for 4 children, this wagon ensures everyone has a comfortable ride. Say goodbye to stroller struggles and hello to easy outings. Safety meets simplicity with our magnetic buckle 5-point harnesses. They make securing your little ones quick and hassle-free, giving you peace of mind. Keep your children protected from the sun's rays with the integrated sun canopy. Enjoy your adventures outdoors without worrying about harsh sunlight. When not in use, it conveniently collapses for easy storage and transport. This feature makes it ideal for families who are always on the move. Finished in a sleek black color, this stroller wagon is as stylish as it is practical. It's the perfect blend of functionality and modern design for your family. What we like. This wagon stroller offers ample space for up to 4 children, making it ideal for larger families or group outings. The secure magnetic buckle 5-point harnesses ensure safety and ease of use. If you're looking for a convenient, spacious, and easy-to-manage solution for transporting multiple children on adventures, this collapsible wagon stroller is perfect for you. What people say. WONDERFOLD is insanely practical for families with multiple kids spending entire days outside. The seats give the kids a 360 view and are tall enough for them to safely see exhibits and fences at the zoo and museums. There are pockets everywhere, 2 pouches on both sides that can fit a purse, an extra bag for a diaper bag, storage underneath the seats and pockets for kids' cups and snacks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.